Hi, I'm Ashley, Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron, and I'm here to help guide you through the eye chart template. What is an eye chart? Optometrists and other eye care professionals often use an eye chart to measure visual acuity. The most commonly used eye chart is the Snellen chart, which consists of rows of letters, numbers, or symbols that progressively decrease in size. These charts help assess a person's vision and detect potential problems, such as nearsightedness, farsightedness, or astigmatism, also known as blurry vision. An eye chart is also essential for raising awareness about the importance of regular eye exams and maintaining good eye health to detect any issues. Early detection also allows for appropriate corrective measures, such as eyeglasses or contact lenses. While they can be used by a variety of professionals, the eye charts are commonly used by optometrists. Here's how to use an eye chart effectively. The first step is to fill out the name and date at the top and read all the relevant instructions. You'll then need to conduct the test. To view a sample template of the eye chart, feel free to visit carepatron.com, where you can access and download it for free. You can also access the template on our platform, filter by community and by assessment or notes. You can also type in the keyword to find the note faster and edit however you wish. If you'd like to view more healthcare videos, feel free to subscribe to Carepatron, where you'll get notified every time a new upload is released.